this video, I'm going to show you how to fold a standing Santa designed by Francesco Mancini. I'll also show you two simple variants, a tree and a snowy tree. And these make perfect place cards for your Christmas party. You can put a name on here, or perhaps if you have a buffet, what kind of food you're serving. And it's just really fun and simple to fold. In this video, I will be using a square for each of these models. And this square has a side length of 15 centimeters or about 6 inches. And the Santa, when standing, is then about 7.5 centimeters or 3 inches tall, and 5.2 centimeters or 2 1/16 of an inch wide. We're going to start with the white side up, and we're going to start with the Santa. We're going to fold in half by bringing edge to edge, unfold, rotate, and repeat. And unfold. Then bring in one corner to that intersection in the center. And then flip the paper over. And now we're going to take this edge and bring it over to that central crease line. Crease. And repeat on this side. Now we're going to flip over and we're going to start forming the Santa's hat. For this we're going to bring this point over to the top and crease along the diagonal, unfold, then bring this tip to the crease line and then fold in so that this section meets the crease line, and try to push the paper inside so that it doesn't drift, or at least not a lot. And then fold up again and strengthen the crease, like this. Now we're going to take this corner and bring it all the way to the top, adding a crease between this point and that point. And now we're going to fold this down to reveal the hat. And here you're basically creating a crease that aligns with that extra layer, and that will be the beard and the face. Now once you have that, we're going to flip this over and we're going to bring this paper up so that this edge aligns with that edge. And the same on the other side. And then we're going to take this corner and bring it over to here, or in other words, we're going to align this edge right there with this edge with the color change right there. And crease. And the same on the other side, like that. Now we're going to take this edge and bring it to the center, so that we're folding through a lot of layers. So just ensure that the paper doesn't drift, so that all of the layers are on top of each other without shifting, and then make a strong crease using that large section of your thumbnail. And repeat on the other side. Like that. And make another strong crease. Finally, take this lower edge and bring it to that crease line that you should be able to see right there, and fold it up and make another strong crease. Then let unfold, and your Santa, your standing Santa, is all done. Now let's fold a tree. A tree is not much different. We're going to start by folding in half in both directions. And again, we're going to fold in a corner. We're going to flip over and bring in the sides. Like that. We're going to flip it over, and for a fully colored tree we're just simply going to fold up without doing anything for the hat that we formed for the Santa. And then we're going to flip it over, fold up those sections right there, fold over the flaps like this, once here and once there. And now, this time, rather than bringing this edge to the center, we're going to start a crease in this point that ends in that point down there. So it's a longer crease, and you will see that it overlaps that center. So we're just going to tuck that paper inside right here so that we can easily repeat the step on the other side. And then again, we're going to bring this edge to that crease line. And your standing tree is all done. Now finally for the snowy tree, again start with the white side up and fold in half horizontally and vertically. Then bring one corner to the center, flip over and bring the paper inside on both of these sections. Now flip over, and this time we're going to fold up that section, and then we're going to fold this up, and this time we're going to tuck it inside right there, and it should slide in quite nicely. Then again flip over and finish the tree as you did the Santa and the tree without a snowy tip. Especially the tree without a snowy tip, of course, because we again want to fold from this point to that point to get that nice finish for a tree. Go like that, and then bring this in too. Add your crease, and then finally finish off like this, and there's your tree with a snowy tip. If it doesn't stand quite stably, just ensure that this is slightly opened. There is your tree, and there is your Santa. And all three are designed by Francesco Mancini, and I think they're super fun and easy to fold. Plus, diagrams are published in Origami USA's online magazine, The Fold. Now, if you like Francesco's work, do check out his Flickr stream, and if you liked this video, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting below, and sharing it with others. Now, how about you fold another one of Francesco Mancini's models following one of my tutorials? Or check out my playlist of winter and Christmas models. Finally, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos. I hope to see you around, and as always, happy folding!